y'all ready for day number 10? I think it's 10. Today the 10th? I think it is. We're going to go with that. Time to pick our stocking. There's some hanging way around on the other side that I can't reach. I have to get the mister to get them down and move them over here closer. All right, look at this one. Here's our stocking for the day. Wonder what's in it. Y'all ready to find out? All right. This is something that I'm sure a lot of us already have. And if you don't, you may want to get one, or maybe some in some different sizes, but a cutting mat. Like this right here. This happens to be a Fisker's cutting mat, and it's been a good one, even though it's wobbly wonky where I've pressed and stuff on it. I've got these green ones over here, like this, that are, is it Olfa? O-L-F-A, is that how you pronounce that? Olfa. I've got, on this table over here, I've got a green one that came from Temu, which I thought, oh, that's going to be a really good one. It's good, it's thick, it's, you know, kind of cushiony. It'll be a good one. Not so much. It was real big, and it was, you know, it came from Temu, so it was kind of cheap. I don't remember now exactly what I paid for it, but I thought it was a good deal, so I bought it. And it lasted a little while, and I ended up cutting, like literally cutting, and holes came in it. So I don't recommend the Temu ones if you want one to last a while. And then I ordered one, is it Wawak, what, W-A-W-A-K, whatever that place is. I ordered the black one that's over there now. And they come in various sizes. You can get them from 5x7, I think, little bitty, all the way up to great big. You know, this one here is 24x70. You can get them 36x70, I think, at different places. You can get really, really large cutting mats. They're good just to protect your furniture, like my big tables that the mister got me. That I love these big tables. I just use them, keep them on here just for protection, just to keep things kind of protected a little bit. And then there's the rotating ones you can get. We've already covered that one. You can get the ones that rotate. But that goes along with your rotary cutters and your rulers. And I'm not sure if those are up in here or not, but I think they are somewhere. And I'd say we'll unearth them in a few days, because in a few days we're going to have unearthed all of our treasures on our tree. Yes, we are. So this is day number 10, Wednesday, the 10th of December. Oh, he's handing me some more. I'll hang them up over here where I can get to them for tomorrow and the next day. Here's another one. Can I reach the rest of them, you think? All right. Oh, he's got even more. Got all kinds of them over there. All right. Oh, goodness. Here, I thought we were about done. I had most of them around here where I could reach them. Here's another one. Hang it right there. I can reach that. All right. There we go. Now we've got them all, our tree kind of replenished on our side here. See all of our stockings? Look at that. I've enjoyed that little tree up here this Christmas season. I have. I don't leave it on and go outside and come up the driveway, but I bet it looks pretty in my upper window there. So, y'all come back tomorrow for day number 11. This was day number 10. We went and picked our Christmas tree today. I'll pop those couple of pictures I took, one of Andy and the mister and a couple of just the trees and the snow. There was snow on the ground. It just looked Christmassy. And the wind was blowing, and it was cold, cold, cold. But we always go. It's called Wintergreen Farm. And I'm not sure exactly what address is, but it's up between Damascus, Virginia, and Mountain City, Tennessee. Up, my husband says it's on Ackerson Creek. The mister says Ackerson Creek. If y'all know where that is. My hat's crooked, isn't it? So that's where we go and see Vonnie and Simon, and they have their prettiest trees, and you get to pick your tree, and he cuts it and brings it and helps you load it on top of your car if you need that, or in the back of your truck, but they bind them up real good. And we go up there every year. I've been going up there for maybe 10 years, I guess. Been a minute. We've been going up there to get trees. And so it's always a lot of fun. But today it was very windy, very cold. Miss Vonnie's face was also red where it was cold. Yeah, and it was like 10 degrees colder there than it was here because they're up on top of the mountain. Yes, they are. She said they were expecting power outages and things like that this weekend, and that's not for me. I don't like that. Not even a little bit. Not at all. So we wished them a Merry Christmas, and if you all are looking for a choose and cut tree farm in my area, that's a good one to go to. They are lovely people. So y'all come back tomorrow for day number 11, and I'll see you then.